In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix the CIBC login stock on loading screen issue. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is check whether CIBC services are currently down or under maintenance, because if there is a server issue, the loading screen will stay stuck no matter what you try. To check that, navigate to the website like Down Detector. If there are outages, you'll need to wait. If everything is working normally, close the app or browser completely and restart your device. On iPhone, swipe away the CIBC app and reboot your phone to refresh system memory. On a PC, close Chrome or Edge fully, then reopen it and try again. Next, make sure your app or browser is fully updated. If you're using mobile device, launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app CIBC. If you see the option Update, click on it. In the PC, go to Settings. Now navigate to the option About Chrome or Edge. If any updates are available, just update it. Likewise, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router. If you're using VPN, proxy, or ad blocker, disable it temporarily because CIBC security system may block those connections and prevent login from completing. Finally, make sure your device date and time are set correctly, since incorrect system time can cause security authentication to fail and keep the login stuck. Once you complete these steps, reopen the CIBC app or website, try logging in again, and in most cases, the loading screen issue should be completely fixed and you should be able to access your account normally. That's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.